With a history spanning over 50 years of innovation, Total Systems has constantly adapted to the evolving business environment, driving change and developing technology. During a time of constant transition and disruption, we continue to thrive and embrace opportunities. Led by our vision to be the most trusted provider of technology solutions in the insurance industry, we create systems for our clients that deliver innovation and competitive advantage. Solutions that will flex and grow as business needs change. At Total Systems, building long-term relationships is central to our business, putting our customers first and at the core of all that we do.
Managing the normal life cycle for standard insurance cases is straightforward. But in an increasingly complex world, there's a significant number of insurance cases that are not standard. They need specialist attention. A few simple examples are that the insurer needs additional information before they accept the application. The standard price of the policy needs to be varied. The customer may want to vary the terms of the insurance cover, or need complex payment terms, or have problems with making payments. The list of variables goes on. By using technology to automate an insurance workflow, each task results in an automated decision point, moving the case through to the next task unless there's a defined need for a manual decision. This ability allows insurers and MGAs to automate the non-standard processes referred to earlier. Some key features of bluescape that enable automation include Workflow Editor, which allows users to easily design or modify workflows. The workflow can send documents internally to the administration team or externally to the broker, either by email or by sending a link to an online portal. Let's take a closer look at this and one or two other features in bluescape. The screen branding and layout is specific for each client. The question set is unique to the product and can vary according to answers. Clients can insert help prompts on all the fields they feel need clarification to help their brokers through the application process. These can easily be changed. Once the broker has completed the relevant questions, click on Get Quote, scroll to the bottom of the page and agree. The document wording is client-specific and again can be changed at any time. You'll see the returned quote screen. For non-standard cases, the insurance underwriter has to make a decision on if the case can go ahead, and if it is accepted, will it be on standard terms or not. So cases that are outside the norm will be identified by bluescape and automatically referred to the insurance underwriter. The reason for the referral is client-specific, and the system can be set up to refer individual applications with specific risk indicators or can refer every case for a specific business line if the client prefers.
Over to the Underwriter portal. Note the completely different layout and visuals of the Underwriter screen. This demonstrates the flexibility of instance of the bluescape platform. Click on the work basket on the left-hand side of the screen, and the recent referral will appear at the top of the work queue. Highlight the row and click on the action task. This will open up a new tab. There are 5 information screens available to the underwriter. Quote summary, policyholder details, risk details, covers, document repository. Open the Covers tab and select the Referrals option, which shows the underwriter why the case has been referred. Again, these are client-specific and worded according to the client. Click on the Quote Summary Details and click on Underwrite. This will land us on the override screen, so the underwriter can either increase the premium to reflect risk of the case or reduce it to win the business. Permissions are set at user level when the underwriter signs in, so junior underwriters will have to refer the case to someone more senior for larger amendments. Bluescape manages all the underwriter limits automatically. Click on the Referrals, and to clear the referral in order to allow you to proceed with the quote, you need to suppress it. So click on Suppress. If you don't want to see this referral again on the quote, select Permanent. If you want the referral to be reapplied the next time a quote is renewed or produced, choose Temporary. Pick a reason from the drop-down list. This list contains a few random reasons, but can be configured with client-specific wording. When finished, click Save and add a note that the case has been approved and the quote's now ready to be issued. Back to the work basket. Highlight the quote and select Marked as Complete, and the task is assigned to the broker. The underwriter's job is now complete. Bluescape can automate an email to the broker advising the case has now been accepted, or an SMS can be sent. The process is completely client-specific.
Back with the broker, and we select the work basket, and the case will be now showing in his list of tasks. Highlight the case and select Action Task. The quote summary details will have a By Quote in the blue box on the right now that the referral has been dealt with. Select By Quote, and the client can have any payment type required: direct debit, credit card, debit card, premium credit, or bordereau basis. Click on the Buy Quote again and you now have the policy. Once the policy has been bought, all the details are available against the policy number. For example, all the documents are now stored against the case. Select the policy document. The look and feel and wording is client-specific and can be easily amended by the client themselves with the document management tool. The workflow can send documents to the customer by email or send the customer a link to an online portal, where documents can be uploaded and stored in the document repository. If the broker has the policy document, he can look at the policy details using the number. Bluescape also offers a number of search parameters, such as postcode or date of birth, if the policy number is not at hand. The systems also allow the broker to add manual diary prompts, such as, from the options, Create Diary Note. Choose a date to make the note to ring the client to check they've received the email confirming cover and that they understand the documents. Back into the broker work basket, and there's the diary item. The online application is designed to collect all the information required. No paper involved. The whole process is a digital, seamless interaction between the broker and insurer. It's client-led. The screens, documents, and workflow process are all configured to the client requirement. Tools are supplied for self-sufficiency to allow clients to easily change the workflow process and documents as required.
To experience how the power and versatility of Bluescape can deliver a competitive advantage to your business, contact one of our experts now. Call 0207 294 4888 or email sales@totalsystems.co.uk.